What's going on, muscleheads? So, as the title of this video goes, this is gonna be a video on my new hood. I have not gotten a chance to take off the stripes. I want to be able to take off the stripes. I don't think it looked the same with the thing on there, so I don't think it looks that good with the stripes. I think it looks like kind of mismatched. So possibly what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow before I clock on for work in a couple hours and take the stripes off. You know what I'm saying? Without further ado, let's get you a cold start. So here's the new hood of Athena. She's dirty right now, but as you can see, that's the full carbon fiber hood. I'm pretty satisfied with it. The fitment was okay. It's a little lower than what I expected. It was like some of the gas, but as you can see, that's full carbon fiber. That's the fitment. So it looks pretty good, man. I'm just super I'm like, dang.
Hey, it's J Production.
So as far as the visibility, it is pretty high, as you guys can see. You can see the carbon fiber right there. But since I am tall, I can't see over it, so I have no problem with seeing over the hood. It doesn't make driving a lot more difficult. It makes like pulling into parking spots a little bit more difficult because you can't really see in front of the nose. But as you can see, man, like the fitment was cool, you know. The fitment was cool. As you can see, like the cowl lines, they line up with the car. This lines up right here, so it's pretty spot on. You know what I'm saying? It took like maybe 40 minutes to get it on. It's cool, man. It's not a deal breaker or anything about how high it is. I haven't gotten any compliments just yet on the like while on the street, but this is really the first day I've driven it in the sun. So let's hope we can get some more compliments on the way.